I never been a snake, so I ain't matching energy. Cause them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, just stay tuned with me. We never starve, I got a dub, then we got 10 apiece. Feel a fake through them handshakes, you ain't no kin to me. Call your brother behind your back, they really frenemies. Man, them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, stay tuned with me. If you my dog, then you my dog.
Okay, I'm up here, I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, what's up? Alright, so today's video, I got my veggies chopped up. I got some fresh garlic here. I got all my ingredients in this one bowl. I have some Jamaican's Choice all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, garlic cloves, red crushed peppers, my Tony seasoning. I got some white vinegar right here. Then I have my bell peppers and onions cut up, and like I said, with my garlic. So right now, I'm about to take this vinegar and season my meat, and today's video is the oxtail cheese steak. So let's come over here to my oxtails. Look at these pretty oxtails. And it's just me, so I think I got enough. Here's my vinegar. I'm going to pour the vinegar into the oxtails. And I'm going to, massage it. I'm going to add some water because you got to get these oxtails clean. I don't know what other people use to clean their oxtails, but I chose vinegar because I saw a lot of people use vinegar. So I decided to use vinegar too. So I'm going to get these bad boys all clean up and dried off, and guess what? I'll be back.
Oh, hell.
I flipped them over, y'all. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I'm searing my oxtail. You want to get a nice brown on each side. I'm taking my time. Okay, it's getting there. I'm just going to let these brown. And then I'll be right back to you.
No, God, please, no, no.
Okay, we got that sear going on. And next I'm going to add my secret ingredient. Most people use oxtail sauce. I tried different oxtail sauces and I didn't like them. So I have my own secret ingredient, y'all.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Hey guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I transformed my oxtails into a pot because they're going to cook a little faster than in the pan I had them in. They're boiling, and from time to time, I'm going to come and add hot water. The oxtails is going to be cooking for 4 hours. I'm about to add in my beef broth that I made myself by using a beef cube and water. So that's in there now, and I'm going to add just a little bit of my seasoning that I had mixed earlier. And that's it. Only thing else I'm going to be doing is coming back, checking my pot. I'll check my pot every hour. So then I'm going to add a lid to my pot and let my pot go. Like I said, these will be cooking for 4 hours, so more likely I'll be back in 4 hours. Okay, guys, I transported my oxtails back to the pan because they're halfway there. They've been cooking like about 2.5 hours. I added browning, Jamaican's Choice browning, and I added some soy sauce. Soy sauce is salty. I added a little of that. And my oxtails smell so delicious. They're not ready yet. They're still cooking. I got them on medium heat. I'm just going to let them go. They're going to go like another hour and a half to 2 more hours. Okay, guys. Once again, I'll be back. Okay, look at that goodness. The gravy getting really thick. The meat is falling off the bone. Look how tender it is. Okay, so I'm getting my roll ready, y'all. Got that butter at the bottom. I got my cheese that I decided. So I'm going to use mozzarella and I think I'm going to use cheddar on the top. So anyway, I'm going to put my cheesesteak together. And I might add some other little things to my cheesesteak. To my oxtail cheesesteak. Y'all will see. So guys, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the oxtail cheesesteak. I added a little bit of mac and cheese, y'all. Guess what? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. And I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
Another one.